Hello, with winter coming I'm just going to show you a new book that we have out. It's called Mungo Makes New Friends and it's set in Scotland in the Highlands and it's about an old horse and it's really a book about friendship between different species and teamwork. Let's take a look inside. So here we have it, our lovely Mungo book, and this edition is in Polish and English. Let's have a look inside. Here he is in his field in Scotland. And there's the Polish here and the English here. Let's just look through all the illustrations. He's an old horse in a field all on his own, and all these friends come and help him and they eat together nicely. And then there's always a fox. You can also hear the text using our pen. Here it is. Just touch against the page.
Niespodzianka.
And also, you switch very easily by touching the English, and you hear it in English.
Surprise! His friends were already there. It was warm and cozy. Every day, the robin, the wagtail, the pheasant. Polish. Niespodzianka. Jego przyjaciele już tam byli. Było im ciepło i przytulnie.
So there you have it. Lovely Mungo.